To get the most out of BMO travel rewards, it is essential to understand how the program works and how to maximize your points. First, consider the type of travel you want to do, whether it is flights, hotel stays, or other travel expenses, and choose a BMO Rewards credit card that aligns with your travel goals. The BMO Rewards program allows you to earn points on your everyday purchases, which can be redeemed for travel, merchandise, and other rewards. You can earn points on all your purchases, and the number of points you earn per dollar spent varies depending on the credit card you have. One of the key benefits of the BMO Travel Rewards program is the flexibility to book travel on your own and then redeem your points for a statement credit. This means you can book travel through any website or travel agency, and then use your points to offset the cost. To maximize your points, consider using your BMO Rewards credit card for all your daily purchases, as this will help you earn points quickly. Additionally, look for opportunities to earn bonus points, such as signing up for a new credit card or participating in special promotions. Another tip is to consider transferring your points to partner loyalty programs, such as airlines or hotels, as this can provide more value than redeeming for a statement credit. However, be sure to understand the transfer ratios and any potential fees before making a transfer. Finally, make sure to keep track of your points balance and any redemption options, and consider setting up automatic notifications to alert you when you have enough points for a redemption. By following these tips, you can get the most out of your BMO travel rewards and enjoy more travel for less. In summary, the key to maximizing your BMO travel rewards is to choose the right credit card, earn points on all your purchases, and redeem your points strategically. By understanding the program and using these tips, you can make the most of your rewards and enjoy more travel benefits.